Hey y'all, this is Austin Vaughn and
Zach Poindexter,
and we are here at Bass Pro Shops here in old Indiana somewhere. I'm not gonna tell you exactly where. You can see the sign right there. We're gonna go into Bass Pro. What are we looking for again, Zach?
well, I'm getting a bow.
Zach's getting a bow. It's Friday, just before turkey season here, and
Just got my gun. Going and getting us a bow now.
Zach just got his 12 gauge not too long ago. Now we're gonna get him a bow. What does this have to do with turkey hunting? Well, we're gonna go in there, and this is Friday night before turkey season.
Yes, sir.
So
We're
tomorrow
all
morning,
pumped up about that, aren't we?
opening day of turkey season.
For youths. I
Yeah.
gotta wait till Wednesday.
Yeah, I'll be shooting, of course, and Zach will be filming. Let's get inside Bass Pro.
Woo!
We're in the elevator.
There's fish back there. You missed the fish.
I know I missed the fish. There's a bear. It's not bear season. Look at all these bows they got, though. Ain't that right, Zach?
A lot of choices.
You want a PSC?
Let's see how much they are.
PSCs are actually some of the better of the cheaper bows. Let's go looking for a bow, ladies and gentlemen. Zach looked at him a bow, and we got this PSC Infinity. I'm pretty sure this is the one. It's a pretty bow. $4.99. PSC Infinity. Alright, y'all. Zach done bought him the new PSC Infinity. Whew.
Sir.
That is awesome.
Pretty.
$500.
Well spent.
Yes, sir.
Kinda got an echo in here because it's an elevator.
Fishies. Hey, y'all. Well, we just got back about a couple hours ago from Bass Pro. Zach got his new bow. It's sitting over there in a case. We are ready for Youth Weekend morning tomorrow. We got the gun, the decoys, the shells, which you need. We need shells, and we got the blind, because I don't know if y'all can hear it in the background. Probably why I'm screaming is because it's raining outside and it's hitting the pole barn, making a lot of noise. So it's going to be raining in the morning, so we're going to be sitting in the blind. Calls are inside, so we are ready, ladies and gentlemen. You ready?
I think so.
I'm ready. You ready?
Hey, you better be the one ready. You're the one shooting.
Yep, Zach's filming, I'm shooting. Let's get her going. Austin in the morning.
Take it away. I think it changed. It's in the morning now.
Yeah, it's in the morning. Good morning, everybody. I just woke up. It is 5:02. And I'm gonna get me something to eat, and then I'll wake up Zach, get ready, and then we'll head out. Zach's starting to wake up. Woo! Zach. Hey, get up. It's time to go kill some Cletus. Cletus is a turkey, by the way. We call Cletus. Hey, it's time to go clear some Cletuses. That's a bright light. Yeah, it's called the flash on the camera. That's bright. Alright, y'all. We got everything ready. We got the stuff in the back of the truck in my old Ranger. And we will see you when we get out in the woods. Let's kill some turkeys. Alright, y'all. Well, it's still early morning. We haven't had any turkeys fly out yet, and I figured they would fly in this field. But I guess we'll see a little bit later on.
There you go, Austin.
Got him one. Got me one, dude.
Good job, dude.
He's seen us. You hear him putting?
Yeah.
You recording? You recording? We shot? But he started putting at me. I had my slate call in my hand. I was sitting here calling, and all of a sudden I heard an alarm putts. I just see this red head just, he's still coming towards me. So have that red head stuck out. So I just swung around and boom! Shot his red head. This is crazy because we just walked in this field. Show them the field, Zach. We just walked in this field and we just seen this tom. Just right down there, we just seen this tom. And down there by the pond there, and me and Zach stood on top of the hill and we seen him, so we crouched down real quick. I got out my hen decoy. And then he started to walk off because I was using my box call. So me and Zach set up real quick. I had my hen decoy out, but obviously he didn't see it. And I just started, just doing plain yelps. He didn't do anything. And I started getting excited, and he started gobbling his head off. We thought there were two because he kept on double gobbling at us. But there might have been. I didn't see another one. Did you?
Nope.
Finished now, buddy? Oh! Oh, he's an oldie! He's an oldie, boy!
Look at them spurs.
Oh, that's a tree hanger right there.
Yeah,
That's
bud.
why he was so tough to bring in. I mean, this tom gave me the most trouble. I tell you what. Because he was hung up. Wasn't he, Zach?
Yeah,
I mean, y'all probably seen some of the footage. I'd call, he'd gobble. I'd call, he'd gobble. He just wouldn't come in. And then he ended up circling around behind us. Which I hated that. So I had to turn around real quick. Which I'm glad I did that now.
Well, why don't you pose with him?
Alrighty.
Get you posing.
I just can't get over. That's a tree hanger. That's probably a 3 or 4 year old bird.
Your dad's gonna be jealous.
Yep. Those are sharp too. You got a nice, I'm actually gonna say 10.5 to 11-inch beard. Maybe 10. Man, what a nice bird. It is, what time is it? I'm sorry, it is, oh, got the time. I'm checking for my phone, my phone's right there.
It is 3:47, Saturday, April 22nd.
3:47. Me and Zach decided to come out here at 2:30 today. We left at about 10. We were going to come back out, try to strike up a gobbler because it stopped raining. This morning it was pouring rain. Now the sun's out. Have you found this gobbler? Got her done, boys. Yee yee!
Good job.
Well, y'all, got her done youth weekend. Saturday evening, got her done with the old Remington 870. And, well, it's a nice, about 4 or 5 year old tom. I'm just happy I got one. Now it's Zach's turn, ain't it?
Yep. It's coming up weekend.
Actually, this Wednesday is opening day, man. So you all will be able to see Zach shoot his turkey and a couple videos. Or in this next video, probably you'll be seeing Zach shooting his turkey. So this is Austin Vaughn and
Zach Poindexter.
And we will see you later. Thank y'all for tuning in. Tune in next time. Bye.
Bye.
Yee yee. I said he's about 25 pounds. Maybe 24. Bye!
Trying to pull a Zach over here. Go ahead.
Yeah.